Hey honeys, it's Shanae. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this bun and bang style, so stay tuned. So jumping straight into this tutorial, my hair is already blow dried, flat ironed, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and part out my bangs first. So I did make a part in the middle, and I'm just making one of these half circle shape partings for my bangs. It would be like a U shaping if it was one bang, but we're splitting it into two. So this is how it looks. Then I'm going to go ahead and put that away. And we are going to work with the ponytail section first. So I decided that I was going to comb my hair up into a high ponytail first because this is going to be a high bun. And I'm going to use my hair tie and tie it all together. So once that's done, I'm just wrapping my hair up into like a tall bun just to keep the ends out my way. I am using 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 free spray today, and this time I'm not even using a blow dryer, guys. If you can see, I'm just spraying the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 free spray on my hair and using the pressure of my hand to just slick the hair down. And once you feel like it's becoming a bit hard, you just leave it and move on to the next section. That's exactly what I did. So as you can see, it's different than when you don't have anything on your hair. It just gives it a nice and soft hold. So I'm gonna do this all around my ponytail. But I do want to advise, obviously it's not going to work with every textured hair. This is the easiest method to do when your hair is bone straight, like I mean bone straight, and it's not going to revert. So you can use any other product if you're trying to achieve a ponytail that works for you. You can also use the blow dryer. I was just in a rush at this state. I was going out right after this, so I just wanted to make sure my hair looked decent. So you know, sometimes you just need a hairstyle for the moment, and this was a quick and easy hairstyle for me. So yeah. So once I reached the very top, I just took out the ponytail to make sure that it was nice and smooth and I could see everything that is going on here. So now I'm just taking out the hair tie, and I'm going to comb through the ponytail because everything is going to be bulged up near the hair tie. So you want to make sure you just comb it through and then reattach the hair tie so it's nice and smooth. Guys, I'm literally looking at my hair like, yeah, this is really growing back. But now I just took out the clip that was holding my bangs together, straightened it. I'm just trying to see how the look is coming together. But yeah, it was actually cute straight. I did go ahead and curl it after, but you'll see that later. I am going in with a sock bun. So if you want to make your life a lot easier, I suggest using a sock bun. You're just going to place that on your ponytail. I just split my hair in half. So half of it went to the front, the next half went to the back. Spread that all over the sock bun, and then you're just going to take the ends and kind of just push it underneath the sock bun. That's all I did, and I did it in like a loose way. I didn't want it to be tight. I wanted it to be more of like a loose, messy bun, but still easy to do. So that's what you see me doing here. I just went around until my ends made it all the way around and you don't see it anymore. So this is how it is basically looking, and I just used a hair tie to secure it. So I just put that over the bun, and that is basically it. Like, super easy. Used a bit more got2b free spray for my flyaways, called it a day. So now we're going in with some colored brown pieces of hair to put into my bangs, just to give it a little bit of oomph, you know. Instead of just having it a little plain, we went in with some color. So you just want to measure the hair out, put some glue on it, and then put it on your parting. So you want to make sure your parting is nice and clean and you're not really getting it on your hair. But in order to remove these pieces, all you use is some oil sheen, any type of oil you have. Make it sit there for like 5 minutes. It will slide right out. So I did add 2 pieces to each bang. So this is the second piece. You always just measure it out, cut it, add the glue, and then put it on that parting space. And if you want it to hold for a long period of time, go in with the blow dryer and also use some stiff spray. Yeah. So now I'm just using my wax stick and I'm just placing that on my hair. It just makes it blend in better when I use the flat iron. But I did go ahead and do the exact same thing for the opposite side. So I'm just straightening the hair. And once I seen how that was looking, I went in with my got2b free spray because I did decide I was going to go ahead and curl it. So I went in with some spray just to hold it for the night. Combed it through. And then I went in with my little wand. This wand is so small, guys. And just curled the hair around it. I waited about, I want to say 10 seconds, a little bit. As long as the hair becomes like hot, don't burn your hands. And then I just let it go. And that's how the curl is looking. It was actually really stiff. But yes, we're gonna go ahead now and curl the next side. So yeah, super cute. I did decide to like pull it so the curl doesn't look as stiff and it looks a bit looser. So I'm like pulling the curl. As you can see, it looks more fluffier, it looks a lot better. Let's just say that it just looked a lot better. So that's what I did, basically stretching out the curls and pulling them so they look a bit fuller. So this is how the hairstyle is looking. One thing about the bangs, you're always gonna go and play around with them, but I thought this was a really cute hairstyle, super quick, super easy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. Is it something that you would try? Because I think I'll do this again. But yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know what other styles you guys would like to see me do, what other types of videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this bun and bangs tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.